All right. So we're over here house hunting, and I think we have found something, guys.
I wish I could get them boys, one of them, to come out here, because it's the pull them up some.
Oh, okay. So this is the grandma of the owner, right? What was your name?
You got
again?
Grandma Ola.
Grandma Ola. Grandma Ola.
You might want to put these right there.
She
the pants, and I can sing it to you. Do you don't mind?
Oh, no.
So you got to pull your pants just like right there.
Okay.
To do this, pull them up. This is called the pull them up, and I am a great grandma, believe it or not. And me and Mr. Hung gonna show you what you need to do when you're out there.
All right, we got the rapper car, so we got the rapper grandma. Let's go hit it.
What about the pants? You got to put them right there.
I don't.
Pull them down.
Okay,
move 'em
okay.
right there.
Okay.
Reese do that. A little more. She don't want to look. I'm too old to look. A little more. They ain't gonna fire you.
I didn't
Now
bring
pull
any.
your top up. Roll your top up.
Okay, I'm going a little commando on here.
Yeah, roll your top up. Yeah, because we need to see the.
It's okay.
This what you wearing under there.
I didn't wear anything
No,
under here.
seriously, I need to see.
Okay.
It's sweatpants.
Hold up. You know them pants, they way too low. Oh no, that's got to go. Pull them up now. You got to pull them up. Pull them up, pull them up, pull them up now. Guess what? You just might have to run. And if you fall, ain't gonna be no fun. Pull them up now. Pull them up, pull them up, pull them up now. Guess what? I don't want to see your drawers. Oh no, no.
Oh,
pull
no.
them up now. You got to pull them up. Pull them up, pull them up, pull them up now.
Woo! You're the best. You're the best.
I had to put some more in there. But
What a show.
Hey, I wrote it down and I couldn't remember it. I wrote something about the women with them daisy dukes. Oh no.
What a show, guys.
They're too tight now. I wrote it down and left it somewhere at the house.
No, that was good. You should make an album.
I told him, kid, pull them up. I don't mess with them too. Wait a minute. Now come on now. You know them pants last night.
I know those pants.
If I know you don't want to see my drawers. Oh no. Boy, I laughed so hard.
Well, thank you so much for showing us the property. Thank you so much.
This was awesome.
I'm Miss Ola Gibson.
Ola Gibson.
And I'm at Valley High Park. That's where I live.
All right.
Yes, indeed.
We're on our way to Tahoe, but we're stopping by this place to check out a new house. So we're potentially looking for a new spot. Check this out. Ooh. Okay. So what I'm looking for is enough room to fit all my cars. So right here we got a driveway into a two-car garage, very spacious, a sick pool. Down there is a chicken coop, horse area, and there's some deer that were just walking by down there. I didn't have my camera with me, so that's too bad. But right here we're gonna check out this barn. So this is actually a really nice spot because it's open to the sun, which means I can do my walk around video. Let's see. Ooh, okay. I can visualize it. Maybe. The hill's a little steep for my liking, but let's check out what's inside here. All right, never mind, it's locked, but it's looking mad deep, so you could potentially fit like 9 in here. Okay, very interesting property. It's got a little horse barn right here, has a nice roof on it. Well, I need some patching up, but has a roof on it. So it's supposed to be on 5 acres, but it's all sloped ground, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, potential number 1. All right, we're down over here. Look at this nice pool with the waterfall. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This is like when you're living in California and look around, you're like, this is potentially gonna be like a flaming Roman candle if this goes up in flames. That's the only problem. All right, if you guys haven't been to Tahoe in Northern California, check this out. So we made it to Tahoe. We're just pulling into like where it's flat now, and I got all kinds of dash lights going on the Audi. So of course, anytime we want to go do something weird always happens with the cars. All right, so we got coolant level check. I just put in coolant, so I know it's full. We got add oil, 1 quart left. I just put in 5 quarts of oil. So I think the sensors are jacked up, and on top of that, okay, refill washer fluid, and the rear spoiler is at fault. That's been there. I haven't shown you guys that, but you know the spoiler's been out. So it looks like it's about time for us to bring the Audi in to the dealership or someone that can fix this. So if you guys know anybody near Sacramento that can fix Audis, especially the A7, and I won't totally get robbed, let me know. But we'll show you the hotel. Hopefully we'll make it there and back. We'll see. What's happening?
I get nervous.
You get nervous?
I get nervous.
Why? Because the lights are going off on the car?
Yeah. There's too many lights.
That's okay. We can always go back on a tow truck. Flatbed. Look, we got Mina with us. Oh, Mina. Oh, Mina.
Oh, little Mina. Little Mina.
Show your face, Mina. Come on.
She goes, I don't want to. I don't want to. There.
Oh, there she is. There she is. She's the princess. You guys don't really see her on the channel because she's always inside on the bed commanding from her command center.
Yep.
You know. I mean, she's actually the boss of all the dogs,
All the
animals, pigs, horse, you name it.
She's the alpha.
She is the alpha. We made
Totally.
her the alpha. So if you bring the horse around her and the horse smells her funny and she doesn't like it, she'll bite the horse. She bites the pigs. She bites Luna. I'll show you a little clip of her going off on Luna right now.
Barbecue sauce with mayonnaise and mustard. And she put that down. She put black beans and lettuce, avocado, and she, you know what? She's really gentle. We can't put her outside just yet, so I have to take her out. Take her out in the front. Oh my God, he's you'll see.
All right, guys, check this out. This is probably the most baller thing I've ever rented. This room is crazy. This is not a room. This is actually a suite. We got Michelle over here looking cute. Look, it's like we're on our own house. You got a kitchen. Look, granite counters. Yo, we got a knife set, everything. Look. Oh, word. We got
A washer and dryer.
an oven, washer and dryer. What? with fully stocked. No, oh, not fully stocked. But don't worry. Don't worry. We got ourselves some bubbly. All right, over here. What's in there? Open it.
No, because I think it goes to another
What?
room.
Does it?
I'm sure it does.
It goes to another room. Okay. Look, you got your own dining room table. Yo, this is legit. Hold on. What do you think, honey?
This is so much fun.
Right?
Yeah.
This is the first time we actually like did something
I know.
big.
I know.
We used to just do it over at the hotel or at the casino, which is nice when you can like just come down to gamble. But this, I'll show you guys this. So this is like not really a car vlog, but I'll show you guys the path to the casino. It's right around the corner. What do you think? $1,000 on black?
No. No. Oh, no.
All right, let's go get some dinner. Got to figure out what we're eating. Wow. Look at this. So our room is like over there somewhere. You guys probably can't see this in the dark, but this is the local restaurant area. So nice. And it's snowing.
No, it's wet. Wet, cold, snow.
Look, like a little shop. We can probably get swimsuits here, and then go in the hot tub. Look. All right, we're walking around downtown Tahoe State Line. This is very nice. They got these like things over here on the propane tank. Whoa. Oh, let's go. Chill, homie. All right, we're gonna test our luck. It's $1 million jackpot. Let's go. There she is. She's out in the wild. Man.
Look at Daddy.
She's... Uh-oh.
Oh dear. Wait, I don't have any bags.
Get one. Look at her. The wind blowing. Look, we got the 3-wheel motion. All right, we got some stuff for dinner. So we got some lobster, some filet mignon, some potato skins. We'll see what this cooks up to be. Ooh, look at that. Steak and lobster. Honey, what are we drinking? Salad.
No water.
Moscato.
It's from Italy and it's good. Oh, Nina. Cute baby.
She's a little snow bunny.
Cute.
Come on, Mina. Show us some action in the snow.
Your dirty little feet. Dirty little feet.
There she goes. There she goes. Go potty. Make us some yellow ice.
She probably won't. Look, there's some dirt over here. I swear, if I
Oh. Keep going.
Oh my god. Now it's gonna get all
Keep going. Get on the dirt.
I can't.
You can make it.
Oh.
Just walk softly. Put me, put me down. Oh, there you go. She doesn't sink.
Mina doesn't sink.
Come
This wasn't a good idea.
on, Mina. Oh, there she goes. She went through your hole.
Come here, Mina. Come here. She's like, why are we doing this?
Go potty, Mina. Go potty.
She's like, go potty.
All right, there she goes. She went potty.
Oh, good. Here we go. Oh! Sunk.
She's so cute. She's so cute. Look at her go.
Come on, Mina.
All right, that's it. Car's looking good next to the snow. Ooh, man, look at that shine. I love it. All right, I can't wait to put new wheels on this one. Those are waiting at home, so we'll do an episode on that. Okay, there we go. The car's looking good. So that's it for this video. We're on our way home right now, so the vacation is over, and the oil light actually works now, so that's good. But for some reason my coolant light is still on. I don't know why it thinks there's no coolant in there. It must be a malfunction in the sensor or something like that. Either way, this thing needs to go get checked out. Thank you for those of you who stayed this long to watch. Usually not a lot of people watch my personal vlogs, but those who do, you guys are the true subscribers. So thank you once again. So if you ever get a chance to visit Tahoe, do that. Okay, it's really dope up here. We'll be back for probably another drift event or something like that in the summer. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.